Introducing Amazon Cloud Cam. It's everything you need in an intelligent, affordable, indoor security camera. All controlled by a single app, so you can keep an eye on things at home, even when you're far away.
I wonder how the girls are doing.
And have peace of mind, knowing everything is okay. Put Cloud Cam on a shelf or mount it on the wall. With 1080p Full HD, advanced motion detection, two-way audio, night vision, and more, Cloud Cam has everything you need to monitor your home day or night. Cloud Cam will alert you when it sees activity, and two-way audio lets you hear and be heard.
Henry, get down from there.
You can access Cloud Cam using compatible Alexa-enabled devices. So if you hear something go bump in the night, you can use your voice to check it out and feel safer immediately.
Alexa, show me the back door.
And Echo Show's hands-free voice control makes it super easy to see live feeds from any room of your home without putting down what you're doing. So when your favorite dining companions are late for dinner, just ask, and Alexa can show you why.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
Free access to the last 24 hours of motion detection clips stored in the secure Amazon cloud means you'll never be left wondering how your daughter's toy got into your lunch. And when you upgrade to a subscription plan, Cloud Cam can even distinguish between actual people and general motion, so you'll only get the alerts that matter most.
Hey, buddy. Do you want to go for a walk?
Cloud Cam also powers the newest feature for Prime members. With Amazon Key, get free delivery of Amazon packages inside your front door. Plus, grant the people you trust access to your home, and use Cloud Cam to watch it all happen in real time. Get peace of mind in every room of your home with Amazon Cloud Cam. It's everything you need in an intelligent indoor security camera.
The X-T2 is Fujifilm's flagship mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, aimed at hands-on photographers wanting a camera that can deliver good images in many different shooting situations. It comes with a new 24-megapixel X-Trans sensor, as well as extensive external controls and the same solid build as the previous generation X-T1. Excellent image quality and superb JPEG color make this a favorite for enthusiasts who prefer traditional controls and the color that Fujifilm cameras are famous for. A broad feature set, updated video and autofocus systems, and a large range of compatible lenses round out the X-T2's capabilities. In addition, Fujifilm's history of continuous improvement and firmware updates reassures us that the X-T2 will stay current. Our reservations about the camera are that some of Fujifilm's lenses may struggle to make the most of the new autofocus system, and the price point may be high for some. The X-T2 is aimed at people who want to take hands-on control of the photographic process, and this latest model is Fujifilm's most capable to date. For more information about the Fujifilm X-T2 and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.
Hello, I'm Dan Bracaglia for DP Review, and this is the Sony a6000 mirrorless camera. The Sony a6000 is the successor to the very popular Sony Alpha NEX6. It sits just above the Sony a5100 in the company's mirrorless lineup. In fact, the a6000 and a5100 are extremely similar, the biggest difference being the a6000's electric viewfinder and more extensive external controls missing from the cheaper a5100. The a6000 offers a 24.3 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Sony's Bions X image processor. The biggest advancement over its predecessor is the vastly improved hybrid autofocus system featuring 25 contrast detect and 179 phase detect points that cover almost the entire frame. In fact, we found the a6000 to be class-leading when it comes to autofocus speed and accuracy in a large sensor mirrorless camera. The camera itself handles well, with ample customizable buttons and click wheels for solid control, plus a quick menu. It offers a burst rate of 11 frames per second with subject tracking, full HD video capture at 1080 60p and 24p with clean HDMI output and Wi-Fi connectivity as well as NFC. Overall, this is an extremely well-rounded camera that offers class-leading features for a very reasonable price point. For more information on the Sony a6000 and all things digital photography, head to dpreview.com.